Good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to present myself over here. Just I want to share my experience and what is the correct way of doing the redevelopment, because today's in the societies, when we are going for the presentations, people they are not aware how to do the redevelopment, what is the exact process, and they are because of this lack of knowledge, they are into the trap of builders and all. So to avoid that, to create the awareness, what is the correct way of doing the redevelopments? Just I want to present my this thing. When we are planning for the any redevelopment for any society, we have divided the whole process into three parts. Basically, it is a society redevelopment. It is a part one, part two, and part three. So basically, part one is a basic things in which society appoints the PMC, and the correct PMC and knowledgeable PMC is very important, because in whole process, correct PMC who's having all the license, having all the knowledge and detailed process about the redevelopment can guide the society throughout the process till the OC. The first pass is preparation of feasibility report, in which PMC takes all the documents from the societies, all the required documents, prepare the feasibility report, which includes what will be the future FSI, what will be the construction cost, what will be the all the government licensing cost, and what will be the area we are getting from the government authorities, and total profit loss statement. What is the value of our project, and what is the potential of our plot, our project? Because if we prepare the feasibility report at the day one, then only we can have a idea about the knowledge, whether we are going for the self redevelopment, whether we are going for the redevelopment. After preparation of feasibility report, society can get the idea about the where they want to go. If they have after getting feasibility report, if they are willing to go for the self redevelopment, they are having all the funds available, then they can go for the self redevelopment, or they can go for the self redevelopment or redevelopment. And after this preparation of feasibility report, now the part two is come. Part two comes. This is the part one. In this, we check from society side. We check all the documents. What is the area and survey and everything. And now in part two, a tendering process, which is a very important and critical phase in redevelopment process, because it is a in this phase, if we have done any kind of mistakes, or we have done any not followed any rules and regulations, then there may be a chances that in future there may be some problems. So while doing the tendering process, it is a very critical and important phase to appointment of developer by correct terms and condition, and through proper guidelines of the 79A process, in which first of all prepare the tender document and put all the terms and conditions from the society sides. For example, I'm giving the tender terms and conditions, in which we covered builder qualification criteria, like if this we are having small scale of project, mid scale of project, and high scale of project. So what should be the volume of the project? Depending upon that, we put the terms and condition qualification of criteria of the developers. And while the preparation of this tender document, we also put what kind of area, which area we have to provide to the developer, which area we will get from the developer, because there are many area confusions are there, like MOFA, RERA, built up area, super built up area, carpet area. So while appointment of developer in tendering process, we have to put all the terms and condition and what mode of measurement of area in the tender document, and also timely completion of work, how to get the how to complete the project on time, that all the terms and condition, what will be the quality of work, each and every terms and condition we have to put in tender form. And this tender form will be available in society office, and society will publish the paper notice, and that paper notice will be after maybe 15 to 20 days, and developer will take this tender document from society, and they will return back to the society. Then PMC will do whole tendering process, prepare that comparative statement based on their, area, rent, corpus, and bank solvency, ITR, everything, whatever documents are required. And after that, there is a part three comes, we have appointed the good developers with all the terms and conditions and with proper through government guidelines. And after that, part three comes where, society have to take care of whole project through PMC. And here role of PMC is that to complete the project on time, to get the project complete with all quality management, and PMC should ensure that developers should follow all legal compliances and proper executions. Here, in case of time management, how to get the project on time, because if for example says the project is of 3 years, then society should ask the PMC that they should submit one broad schedule, micro schedules. For example, our project is 3 years, so how much work will be completed in 1 year, how much work will be completed in 6 months, how much work will be completed in 1 month, and what will be the per day target. So based on that, this time management should be there, to track each and every day activities. And for example, our today is my casting of 4 column is there, and slab will happen on so and so date, and next slab will happen on so and so date. So micro schedule through micro scheduling, the PMC should track each and every step and inform society on everyday basis. Society should get information from PMC, the daily progress report, daily labor report, and what are the our set target and how much we are achieving on daily basis. If we will keep on tracking, on schedule, so we will achieve our goal, each and every milestone for the completion of work on time, right? So time management should be there on each and every society's redevelopment. And most importantly, quality management. In case of quality management, while execution, this plays a very important role, because developer offer you something or to the society, for example, X percentage of area, X amount of rent per month, and whole calculation based on this quality. Because in tender document or in development agreement, we mention, which quality of paint to be used, paint, tiles, steels, RMCs, plumbing fittings, electrical walls. There are many n number of activities are there while doing the construction. So in agreement, in development agreement, each and every activity is mentioned, and their brand is also mentioned. So while doing execution, the PMC should inform to the society, like, what quality of material developers are using at site. Because, for example, in development agreement, we have finalized and we have, freeze the things like we have to use, for example, steel for Tata, Jindal, or JSW. And if developer is using, some other kind of steel, and also if there are many things like paint we have to use for the Asian Berger, and developer is using something local painting. So each and every step, PMC should, maintain this quality document, preparation of all manuals, and also making SOPs for each and every activities, and preparation of checklist. Preparation of checklist means PMC should do and inform to the society that before starting of any activity, during the construction of activity, and after completion of activity, all the checklists to be checked, filled, and signed, and it should be kept with proper all the documents and submit to the society whenever required. Because, for example, if we are doing the block work, or if we are doing the tiling work, or we are doing the RCC work, for each and every activity, before, during, and after, checklist should be there. And for example, if you are doing the tiling work, and there, before the tiling work, the engineer, PMC engineer, should go from society side. He will check each and everything, like what is the line level, whether it is, as per the required site condition or not. Then during construction, he will check. Then after completion of work, he will check. So based uh, we will prepare, PMC prepares each and every checklist for the each and every activities. So if we will, have a check on each and every activities, there should not be any quality mismanagement. And this will result into, getting good product, better quality, and whatever we require. So based on this, the quality management should be there and should be informed to the societies on time to time basis. And after that, legal compliances. This is very, critical and important, whether while doing the execution, developer does like they are more focused on to just doing the slab casting, slab casting, slab casting. They are getting money from there. And there are many compliances like CFO, HEs, aviation, civil lines. There are many departments. Uh, for example, if any project is there, so we have to fulfill the requirement of each and every department also while doing the building construction work. In case of it happens that our developer or anybody, because of lack of knowledge or purposely, if they have not done the compliances, then we will not get the NOC from a particular department. And if we will not get the NOC from particular department, then we will not able to get the OC. In previous years, previous years we can buildings get allowed to stay if they are not getting OC also. But in current scenario, if you will not get the OC, then it is very illegal to stay there. So to avoid that during construction, the PMC engineer should take all the compliances. For example, if we have to start the fire tank work after 6 months of starting a project, then we will put the notice to the developer that they should start the water tank or fire tank or any other like HE work, everything. So it should get completed within the particular time period, and while the money rotation is there, and also during the construction of the work. And also keep the checkpoint of each and every NOCs and each and every remark. Like aviation, there should not be limitation. They should not cross the limited height given by the aviation department. There are many departments, and all the departments having their own remarks, and they have to be constructed. Or any project has to be constructed as per the required remark. So it is very important. And also in between, time to time, PMC should inform to the societies that your fire tank will be of this much liter, fire is having this much this requirement, aviation is having this requirement, HE is having this requirement, and so that, and keep on checking on each and every legal compliances which will be there throughout the project. And lastly, project execution, any redevelopment, obviously project execution has to be there. Then in this, PMC should do proper site execution planning, manpower planning, material requirement. Because why I'm saying this project execution, for example, we have to complete the project in 15 days time cycle, right? And developer always says, we will complete this particular, we will achieve this particular cycle within the 10 days time or 15 days time with the required labor, like for example, 5 labor, 10 labors. But society does not know how much labor is required actually to complete this project or this is slab in 15 days time cycle or 10 days time cycle or whatever. So when society appoints the PMC should guide or should be strict to the manpower requirement. And for example, if to achieve the slab cycle we need 50 manpowers, then there has to be 50 manpower, not less than the 50 manpower. So daily basis, manpower planning, material requirement on time. For example, if the developer is working on a first slab, then PMC should take care of to whatever material is there for second slab, material is there or not, what is the labor arrangement, what is the design requirement, whether we have approval for the above slab or not. So we have to keep on checking all these things, and also send the, if something is missing, if something is not there, send the notice to the developers, inform to the society, and take the meetings whenever required on time, so that the project should go smoothly. And whatever things happen, it should be informed developers on timely basis. So this is how the we or any PMC or any society redevelopment should go for the redevelopment project. First appoint the PMC, then do the feasibility report, then appointment of developer in a correct process and correct terms and condition, then do the proper execution with the proper quality management, time management, and legal compliances and everything.